We're back with another knife review. Today we're going to do the Ultra X Cobra. We'll start off by showing you the knife and giving you a few specs. This knife is 7.1 inches overall. It's a 440C stainless stone-washed blade with a plain edge. Has a desert or D2 scales, desert scales. Stainless steel pocket clip. Lanyard hole. Stainless steel liners, and it is a liner lock. Blade length is just under 3 at 2.84. Handle length is 4.3. Weight of this knife is 5 ounces. Has a little contour on the top of the blade with some jimping just behind it. It is a flipper, which you can easily one hand. Has a little contour design on the handle there, and it has the X for Ultra X. That's so common now in pivot caps. And it also has the see-through chassis with 2 barrel spacers. Give you a little close-up on the blade. We'll go ahead and bring over some paracord and show you how this knife cuts. This knife comes in at about 58 on the Rockwell scale. Get it in there. As you can tell, well, that didn't cut all the way through. Let's give that another try. Not bad. Could be a little sharper. Had just a little bit of fraying there. Grab some cardboard. Let's see how it cuts on. Put your hand in this area. Let's try it like this. So as you can see, pretty sharp on the tip. Didn't go all the way through every time. A little disappointing. Not bad. Well, this is an entry-level knife with 440C, so it's easily sharpened. This one could probably use a little more honing. We'll get it a little bit sharper, but we don't do that. We take them straight out the box and show you how they come out the box. So this is the Ultra X Cobra. I think I've given you all the specs that I have off the top of my head. So we'll go ahead and tell you, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You get honest knife reviews and our weekly show. If you're watching on Instagram, join the 50,000 other loyal AKers. And like our post, follow Atlantic Knife. We do giveaways weekly and lots of knife content. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.